welcome to Hazel Me. Today I'm going to show you how to do this super simple but super tasty risotto. Let's jump to the video.
So let's start with the ingredients. For 4 servings we will need 400 grams of round rice, 1 leek, 50 grams of butter, 180 grams of good quality Parmesan cheese, a pinch of salt, 10 centiliters of white wine, and 1.5 liters of water or chicken soup if you want extra flavor. So first we want to start by cutting the leek in really small pieces. We will put our pan in a medium to low heat with some olive oil. The pan we are using must be somewhat tall and not too wide. Now we put the leek into the pan and we let it cook until it's transparent. Now that it's cooked, it's time to put the rice in. We let the rice sit with the olive oil and the leek for a minute, and then we can start to put the liquid in, whether it's water or chicken soup, and increase the temperature to the maximum. It is very important that the water or chicken soup is warm because we do not want to change drastically the temperature of the pan. Also, a very important thing is to incorporate the water or chicken soup slowly. I have divided my 1.5 liters of water in 3 different parts. I have now added the first part, and once the rice has absorbed all this liquid, I will add the second part and finally the third part. And we will add a pinch of salt to taste. We want our risotto to be super creamy, so we have to let the rice starch do its thing. Now, meanwhile, I will start slicing the good quality Parmesan cheese in order to add it later in the risotto. As you can see, we are not using too many ingredients because this is a very simple risotto recipe. But you could make it fancier or tastier by adding different ingredients. You could do a bollettos risotto, shrimp risotto, or a healthy veggie risotto. My advice is, when doing a risotto with added ingredients, is that you first cook these ingredients in the pan you will be doing the risotto, but before adding the rice, you take the ingredients from the pan in order to avoid overcooking them. Remember, we want our rice to be cooked al dente, not too much, but not too hard. Now that our rice is almost completely done and almost all the liquid is gone, it's time to add the white wine. We have lowered the temperature of the pan, and now we mix slowly the risotto. We'll let the alcohol evaporate until the rice is fully cooked. Meanwhile, I'm cutting my butter that I will add once all the wine is evaporated. Finally, we can reduce the heat to the lowest and add the butter to add a little more creaminess to the rice, and once it's melted, we will then add the Parmesan cheese. I would recommend to never add the butter and the Parmesan while the rice is not finished. Try it at the end. We mix gently so that the Parmesan and the butter are evenly distributed in the rice. So now our risotto is done and we can serve it right now.
As you can see, this is the final result. It's super simple, it only took around 25 minutes to make. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you tried at home. Also, let me know what you want to see next. Subscribe to this channel and see you next time!